Me Living. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite Thai dish, and that is pad see ew. Pad see ew is a stir-fry noodle with soy sauce. So please join me. These are my ingredients to make pad see ew or stir-fry noodle with soy sauce. I'm using the extra wide noodle. This is a 14-ounce package, but I'm just going to use half or about 7 ounces for this recipe. A half-pound Chinese broccoli, 1/2 cup thinly sliced beef, 4 to 5 clove garlic mince, 3 tablespoons cooking oil. This is the black soy sauce I use to add color to the noodle, and I'm using 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons Lucky Fish sauce, 2 teaspoons chicken powder, 2 teaspoons Golden Mountain sauce, and 2 teaspoons oyster sauce. The noodle needs to be soaked in room temperature only. Do not soak the noodle in warm or hot water because that will cause the noodle to break. Okay. I'm just going to use about half of it. I'm going to soak the noodle for about an hour or a little more. Okay. Let's cut the Chinese broccoli here. Everybody cuts their Chinese broccoli differently, but this is how I cut mine. Let's rinse the Chinese broccoli here quickly. Okay, rinse the Chinese broccoli here. For the beef, I am going to marinate it with about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This is cornstarch, and the reason is to help tenderize the beef. And then I'm pouring just a tiny, maybe about half teaspoon cooking oil here also, and I'm going to mix the beef, the oil, and the cornstarch. And I'm going to set this aside for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's ready to be cooked. Okay, let's put together the sauce here. Okay. Just mix the sauce together like this and set it aside until it's ready to be used. If you like your noodle to be darker, you can, of course, increase your black soy sauce to 1 teaspoon. But for me, most of the time, I don't like the noodle to be too dark. That is why I'm using just about 1/2 teaspoon. I have soaked the noodle for 1 hour, and I'm going to drain it. And before cooking this noodle, it has to be blanched in boiling hot water to soften the noodle. I have 3 things going on here. This is the wok. This pot of water, it's boiling. This is used to blanch the Chinese broccoli. And this water is also boiling to blanch the noodle. So let's start cooking. Let's saute the garlic first. Everything here is going to happen very quickly. I'm putting in the noodle. Putting in the Chinese broccoli. Adding the sauce very quickly. Adding the noodle. And mix the noodle into the sauce very quickly like this. Bring in the beef. Adding the Chinese broccoli. Okay. Now just looking very pretty. It's all done. All done. Very quickly. Okay. Let's eat. My hot tea as usual. Ooh. The pad see ew or stir fry noodle with soy sauce here has to be served immediately hot. It cannot wait. So, mm, mm, so yum. The flavor is strong is just right because I have a combination of every ingredient that's supposed to go with it. So it's very delicious. Mm, mm. The Chinese broccoli should cook just right because it's still very crunchy and not overcooked. Mm. And the beef, it is tender and delicious. Wow. Mm. Mm. Notice that the dish has to be cooked very quickly to retain the length of the noodle. Look at how nice it is. Nice and delicious. Wow. Mm. Mm. So yum. Mm. 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 Tại phở kia nó mà yêu chủ ở cả cá mình nè. Sao ở chụp đi chỉ cá chủ cá mình nè. Thì lịch cá cá liền nè. Ooh. Delicious Chinese broccoli. Mm. Thank you for watching me living today making delicious pad see ew or stir fry noodle with soy sauce. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.